Hi guys! Not too long ago, I saw someone post a short video here on YouTube about finding string of dolphins at Home Depot. I don't remember who posted the video now, but that very same day I saw that video, I made a trip to Home Depot and sure enough, I found a few pots of string of dolphins for sale. I don't see these often, so I got very excited. In fact, I think it was my first time seeing these plants in person. Anyway, when I purchase a plant, I always inspect it and choose the healthier looking ones. But for these, upon closer inspection, I could tell they were not in the best shape, and I'll show you why. Does this look like moss to you? This tells me that the soil is poor quality and retains too much water, and all the string of dolphin plants in the store had this. Also, I haven't watered these plants since I got them last week and they're looking dry, but some stems have already rotted. So I'm guessing they were too wet at one point. You see what I mean? So I'll do my best with these plants, repot them, and hope for the best outcome. That's why I decided to get 2 pots just in case one doesn't make it. I'll be repotting these right now. I try to repot newly bought succulents as soon as I can, and I have good reasons why. I'll link my video down below in the description box on why it's a good idea to repot newly bought succulents. For these, I bought them a week ago and just got a chance to repot them now. Just want to show you the other pot I got, and it has the same issues as the other one. I really hope these plants do better once I repot them. I really don't want to lose these, as these are my first string of dolphins, so wish me luck. So I'm snapping these hooks off so that it's easier to get to the plant. So I'm just removing some of the dead stems and any unsightly parts. I'm cleaning it out and I'm trying to get rid of this soil as much as possible, but it's not easy because the stems are really thin and easy to break. And I don't want to end up with just stem cuttings of this plant. I want to save some of the roots as well. See, I want to show you this. This is what I'm talking about. You see how some of the stems are already rotting? It appears as if the soil was too wet at one point. Here's a close-up of an individual leaf and see how amazing it is. It's really shaped like a dolphin. So I'm doing the same to this other pot. Here's some more rotting stems. See that? So I'm doing my best to get most of the soil out, but not all, because I don't want to end up with just stem cuttings of this plant. I'll do my best to pot it up without breaking the stems off. After repotting, I'll be taking stem cuttings of this plant just in case they do not make it. I think that's the best I can do for now. So I'm reusing the same planters the plant came with after emptying it out because I haven't found any hanging pots that I like from the store. So I'm using Turfis MVP in the bottom third of the pot and Bonsai Jack for the rest of the pot. Turfis MVP helps absorb excess moisture and improve drainage. I chose to use this combination because I want the soil to drain out really fast because it looks like some of the stems are already rotting while some are really dry, which makes it very challenging. So a little bit about String of Dolphins. I found some information from Mountain Crest website. So what it says is, dolphin plant or string of dolphins, Senecio Peregrinus, is a rare variety of trailing succulent that looks like a pod of leaping dolphins. This uncommon hybrid is a cross of string of pearls and candle plant. It can be difficult to find and requires a bit of special care, but it is well worth the effort. Also, it says on the website that dolphin plants thrive with a bit more frequent watering than most succulents. So apparently these plants are rare and hard to find, which explains why I don't see them often, and also a bit harder to take care of, and that's why I guess they're not in great shape from the store. So let's hope for the best. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, just to show you, these are just some of the dead parts that I've removed from these plants. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics you can check out down below. Bye guys, thanks for watching.